how to set take profit on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set take profit on Robinhood. Now Robinhood does not offer a built-in take profit feature like some other trading platform. However, you can manually set a target sell price to achieve a take profit strategies on Robinhood. So for that, what you'll have to do is, first thing first, you'll have to open up your Robinhood and then log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface something like this. So before you do this procedure, make sure that your account is verified. Then you'll need to go ahead and locate find stocks or option position for which you would like to set a take profit. Go ahead and tap the profile icon. Next, you'll need to go ahead and tap on sell or trade. Now locate what you actually want to go with. In my case, I'm going to go with Tesla. Once you locate Tesla, then it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap on sell button or navigate to the trading screen for the specific stocks or options as well. Then you need to choose a limited order options instead of market order. So limited order allows you to set a specific price as well. Now enter the targeted price at which you want to take profit. This is the price at which you are willing to sell your possession as well. Then you need to specify the quantity or numbers of share you want to sell at the set target price. Then you need to review the order details including the limit price and quantity. Then you'll need to confirm the order when you are satisfied with the settings as well. After that, you need to place the limited sell order. This order will be executed if the market price reaches or exceeds your specific limited price. So in that way, you can set take profit on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.